If you have young fruit trees growing in pots, pruning them the right way is one of the best things you can do for their future growth. A few correct cuts now can help create a stronger structure, healthier branches, and better fruit production for years to come. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I pruned two young fruit trees, a cherry guava tree and a plum tree. And I'll explain the simple principles you can use on many other young fruit trees as well. So let's get started. And one very important question to answer is, what is the best time of the year to prune your young fruit trees? For most young fruit trees, the best time to prune is in late winter or early spring, just before new growth starts. However, some stone fruit trees, such as plum trees, are often pruned during the growing season, that is, summer, in regions with wet winters, and that is to reduce the risk of disease. And always avoid pruning during the very humid and wet periods or frosts. Now let's begin pruning. Let's start with the cherry guava tree, and the first thing to do is choose 3 or 4 main branches and remove all others that compete with them. And these 3 or 4 main branches should branch off in different directions. These 4 main branches are the ones I'm going to keep. This one has a nice sprout here, and this one. All the other main branches will be removed. Clean and disinfect well the cutting tools both before and after pruning each plant. Always make the cuts diagonally. This diagonal should always point downwards and inwards towards the tree. The cut should be above a button facing outwards. Number 2, open the center of the tree. To do this, you must cut branches that grow inward. This way, the center of the tree will have more light and air, which are essential for fewer fungi and better fruit. Number 3, shorten the main branches. This means that of the 3 or 4 branches you choose, you should cut off by about 1/3 of their length, keeping 2/3 of their length. And number 4, remove what doesn't matter. And what doesn't matter are branches that are dry, diseased, crossed, and water sprouts. The water sprouts are the branches that grow straight up, rarely produce fruit, and take energy away from the rest of the tree. So I remove them. And I am now removing all water sprouts. And we already have this tree properly pruned. Common mistakes are over-pruning and not pruning at all. Over-pruning encourages lots of vigorous new shoots, but often reduces fruit production. And when not pruning at all, the canopy becomes too dense, reducing airflow and sunlight, which can increase disease and lower fruit quality and yield. A few weeks later, you can already see the difference. The tree has produced plenty of healthy new growth, and its structure is much better balanced. This is why pruning is so important. By removing the right branches, the tree can focus its energy on healthy, well-placed new growth. These fresh green leaves are a great sign that the tree is healthy and putting its energy into strong new growth. Now I'm going to prune this little plum tree, and since it's so small, the only thing I have to do here is cut off this dry branch. Now see how quickly and well this plum tree has grown. Two and a half months after pruning this small plum tree, the growth is incredible. And look how green and healthy the leaves are. Remember, the goal isn't to just make the tree look better today. It's to build a strong structure that will support healthy growth and better fruit production for many years to come. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and to put a thumbs up. See you and goodbye.